Are you using SAP SuccessFactors and looking for a simple way to manage HR data changes for payroll? Then meet the Payroll Change Report, your solution for efficient payroll processing. No more complex integrations or manual updates. The Payroll Change Report captures all key HR changes, like new hires, salary adjustments, and terminations, using real-time data from SAP SuccessFactors, ready for export to any payroll system. The Excel export feature organizes these changes into easy-to-navigate sheets, including employee data and change labels. Whether dealing with retroactive or future updates, you'll have a clear view of every change for accurate payroll processing. Customizable templates let you tailor reports to your organization's needs, and the tool is perfect for smaller foreign offices. With role-based permissions and flexible selection options, payroll management has never been easier. Simplify payroll today with the Payroll Change Report. Learn more and request a demo at hurisextensions.com.